In this video, I will be showing you how to edit a product label in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll go to the search bar at the top and type in product label to see what templates are available. I'll scroll through the results to find a design that fits my brand. I've found a great cosmetic bottle label, so I'll click on it and then select Customize this template. Once the editor loads, I can start making changes. I'll click on the main text box and change product name to organic serum. Now let's add some graphics to match the ingredients. I'll head over to the Elements tab and search for aloe vera. I'll browse the graphics, pick one I like, and drag it onto the label. I'll resize it and place it near the bottom right. Next, I'll search for a mango graphic. I'll select this realistic one, scale it down, and move it to the top of the center section. I also want to add a rose, so I'll search for that and pick a nice red one. I'll position the rose in the center and then group all three graphics together so I can move them as one set to the top of the label. To finish up the text, I'll click on the volume and change it from 30 milliliters to 50 milliliters. I also want to change the font for the word with, so I'll open the font menu and scroll down until I find Citadel Script. After a final adjustment to the text placement at the bottom, the label looks perfect. And that's how you edit a product label on Canva. Thanks for watching.